Google released this Genie 3, which is a world model. What you can do is interact with, well, the world. So it's basically like a video game, but it's much more than that. This can be used to train other AI. This is on another level. You can see it's interactive and it's very, very good. Basically like a video game. And it's much more than that. It's very realistic. And oh, look at that. There's even physics interaction with the scene. Okay, look at this physics. It's also very consistent. You can look around and it doesn't change the scene as you look around. So it's pretty good at simulating natural world. You can see the water flowing here. The tree is very realistic. You can see the individual leaves. Pretty good. You can also do with non-realistic stuff like animation and characters. Look at this. Oh, it's swimming. I think this one is one of the most impressive. The movement of this firefly. This is impressive. Okay, so you paint the shape and then look around at some point. And then when you go back, the shape you painted, it's the same. It's perfect. Oh, this should be pretty hard to keep the consistency because it has a lot of objects and text. So let's see if it can do it. So it's looking around and then we are going back. Yeah, it's there. Actually, this temporal consistency is so good that even from afar, you can see these two trees here. And then when you approach, they are there. The best world model we have today. Of course, it had to come from Google. Let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.